Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow users to talk to administrators in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into channels, then tap on a channel, then we tap on the channel icon. And here in the top right corner, we tap on the pencil, then on more. And if we scroll down, at the bottom, we find some checkboxes, and we can just tap on allow users to talk to administrators to turn this function on. So, for example, if someone wants to ask something from his admin, you can just do this. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.